Ammu and today I'm back with a new video. We're back with Amrita's kitchen. So we have all our ingredients. So today we're making strawberry milkshake. It's amazing because strawberries help you in everything. They make you slim, they help you in increasing blood vessels, and yeah, they're amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. We have ice cream, we have milk, we have strawberries which are amazing. We have to take out these, but we're gonna do it later. And we have strawberry squash, amazing. Yes, these are all the ingredients. Simple, easy, and you can do it every day you want, any day you want. So yeah, let's continue. In the jar now, but I have to show the key ingredient, right? So guys, this is the key ingredient, the strawberries. They make your skin glow, and they're better than soft drinks. They're like natural, they're amazing. So we can use strawberries instead of like soft drinks, aerated drinks, drinking outside. So first we have to put in 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, we have to put on ice cream. Dip it up. Yes, done. Oh my god, that looks so good. And now we can add in the milk. Milk. You have to add the whole thing. So yeah, we can just add like 1 cup. Okay, this is enough. And we can put it aside. Now we can put in some strawberry crush. If we want, we can decorate it also. But I want to put in some. So I'm just gonna put in like 1 spoon. And yes. Milkshake, it's ready. So now I'm just gonna pour it in. It looks amazing. And I forgot to tell, we're done with the toppings and the crush. Yes. And now guys, I like all my toppings. I have strawberry because it's a strawberry milkshake. My crush on the side. It looks amazing. It looks like a hotel made one. I'm just gonna add a scoop of ice cream on the top because I love ice cream. So there's no matter what. If you like ice cream, even you can do it. If you don't, it's okay. I'm just gonna take a spoon. Yes. So we have. So guys, we're done with the milkshake, and now we're going on my brother to test it. Come on. So he's gonna come and test it. I'm so excited. It's gonna be very yummy.
Let's see how it tastes. I was not here. I went outside. Let's see.
Don't eat the ice cream. Come on.
I'm not eating my ice cream.
Okay.
It's good. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah. I want to try it. Can I?
Get your own spoon, boy.
So guys, you all saw how he enjoyed it. So now I'm gonna try how it tastes. I hope it tastes fantabulous. It's really good. It tastes like a milkshake that I bought from outside. It's amazing. You guys can try it at home. It's amazing. Strawberries are good for health. They're amazing, and you can get an excuse of ice cream also. So these are amazing, and thank you for watching this video guys. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.
Peace out, boys.